What you're seeing on screen is nothing short of extraordinary. Honey hunters suspended midair, surrounded by massive swarms of bees, harvesting colossal honeycombs of pure wild honey. In the rugged mountains of Yunnan, China, honey hunting is not just a profession, it's a daring survival skill. These fearless hunters risk their lives to harvest wild honey, climbing sheer cliffs and towering trees with nothing more than ropes and ladders. This is no job for the faint-hearted. It requires unparalleled bravery, physical strength, and a deep connection with nature. For generations, the Lisu people in Yunnan have mastered this ancient art, scaling treacherous rock faces to access the hives of Apis dorsata, the world's largest honeybee. These bees build their massive hives on steep cliffs, often hundreds of feet above the ground. To reach them, the hunters use handmade rope ladders and traditional tools like woven baskets. Every step is a test of skill and courage, as they balance on precarious ledges with swarms of bees buzzing relentlessly around them. To safely harvest the honey, hunters employ an age-old technique. They burn leaves to create smoke, gently coaxing the bees to leave their hives without harming them. This delicate method ensures the survival of the bees and allows the hives to regenerate, preserving the cycle of nature. The hunters must time their efforts perfectly, early morning or late evening, when the bees are less active, and always keeping a watchful eye on the weather. One wrong move or an unexpected gust of wind could turn their daring mission into a life-threatening ordeal. Inside the hives lies the prize, golden, nutrient-rich honey that locals call liquid gold. Each comb is a treasure trove of wild flavors, shaped by the untouched flowers of the forest. A single hive can yield several kilograms of honey, enough to involve the entire village in the harvest. Sold for as much as $50 per kilogram, this honey provides a crucial source of income for rural communities. But for these honey hunters, the practice is about more than money. It's a way of life, a tradition deeply rooted in their identity. The Lisu, along with the Miao and Yi ethnic groups, view honey hunting as a sacred connection to nature. Before every hunting season, they hold ceremonies to honor the forest and pray for a safe and bountiful harvest. These rituals are not just acts of gratitude, they also help preserve cultural heritage, passing down respect for nature through generations. Today, honey hunting faces growing challenges. Climate change, deforestation, and overharvesting have taken a toll on wild bee populations. To protect this delicate ecosystem, some communities are combining honey hunting with ecotourism, inviting visitors to witness their incredible skills and learn about the importance of conservation. These efforts not only provide an additional source of income, but also raise awareness about preserving the forests and their vital pollinators. Honey hunting is a testament to human resilience, ingenuity, and harmony with nature. Each drop of honey represents the culmination of immense effort and an unyielding respect for the natural world. The elders, masters of this craft, pass their knowledge to the younger generation, teaching them not just how to harvest honey, but how to protect and sustain the environment that provides it. The sight of these hunters, suspended in the air, surrounded by bees and cutting honeycombs from the cliffs, is a powerful reminder of the delicate balance between survival and conservation. Honey hunting is more than a job. It's a story of courage, skill, and the enduring relationship between people and nature. For every drop of honey they collect, There's a profound lesson about the gifts of the wild and the responsibility we all share to protect them.